Hello, hello. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening. It just depends on where you're watching from. I just want to say hello and good morning. It is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. T-Mobile Tuesdays. Yes, I love T-Mobile. That's my cell phone provider. Um, welcome to Sarasota. My name is Stephen Smith, and this is Sarasota, Florida, and this is my backyard. And I want to welcome you to Live with Nature. This is an opportunity for myself as well as anybody else that takes time to watch, to connect with nature, an opportunity to listen to the birds singing to us this morning, an opportunity to reflect within oneself. I use it as an introspection time. I use it to read my positive affirmation statements. I use it to repeat my I am statements. I use it to uh, continue to make myself a happy person, a person that's enjoying and being grateful, a person that is just trying to make the best of every moment. Every second counts. It does. And so I'm wanting to try and make the most of every moment. Today is a day about pursuing our dreams. I'm going to try and pursue my dreams. I'm also going to work. I, uh, I have to work because I'm just not financially independent, so that I don't have to work. Maybe one of these days that might happen for me, but it certainly isn't today. But needless to say, I love my job. I love what I do. I get to make old things look new, and that's what I'm doing with my life too. I'm making the old things old, letting it go, moving forward, and I know that I don't have the past. It's already gone. I don't have the future yet because I'm not there yet. But what I do have is this. I have this moment right now. They call it the present. I believe they call it the present because it's a gift. And so I am going to act like I just got gifted with the ability to be here, to be able to share this video, to make this connection to nature. It's a beautiful, very humid day again here in Sarasota. I'm going to let the video roll here for a few moments. The birds hopefully will join us. I know they don't like to come up when I'm standing right here, but what I'll do is this, is that I'll let the video roll for a little bit out back, and then I will go ahead and I will go out front and we'll watch the sun come up. The moon is up again, and so I'll just flash on up there. This is just too cool. I just love that. Um, it's pretty wild. Yeah, it sure is. It just astounds me that the moon can be up when the sun's up too. I see that the camera kind of changed. All right. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, but nonetheless, beautiful, magnificent. And so I'm going to really stop talking because this is not about me talking. This is about the birds singing to us, and then the sun coming up and celebrating nature, celebrating the light, celebrating a new day and an opportunity to try and make the most of it and pursue those dreams. All right. I want to thank everybody that's taken time to come and watch. I also want to say, feel free to go ahead and make comments. Don't feel like you have to make comments. Sit back and just enjoy this. But if you're driving, don't sit back and close your eyes or something like that. Pay attention to the driving. So I'll stop talking. If you want to share this, by the way, go right ahead. Share this with anybody you think that might enjoy this as well. So I'm going to be quiet now. I'm going to go back. I'm going to work on repeating these positive affirmations and my I am statements, and we'll just enjoy nature. Thank you for joining us. hope everybody's doing well. Hope that you've been enjoying this so far. Oops. Good morning. Good morning and good day. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching. My granddaughter, Harmony, noticed this. And she was taken in by it too, and it's such a beautiful flower. It's so crazy. They grow on the vines. See, there's some bugs on it too. Some ants. But they're so beautiful, and the white is so pure. It's just lovely. I don't know what it is about these flowers, but they're so cool. So yeah, this is kind of like the backyard. There's a couple ditches out here, and over the next hump there's actually a lake back there. There's ponds everywhere in Florida, and they all have fish in them too. Some lunker bass, if you're a bass fisherman. So it's a great day. I hope that you're having a good day. If you're not having a good day, know that it can and will get better if you will allow it. It's kind of up to us. I'm going to take us out front. It is kind of cloudy in the east. I'm going to even say rain, certainly right over there. But it is just spectacular out here. That's really cool. The clouds. The lower clouds are moving. The upper cloud is almost like it's stationary. So this is the front yard. Like I mentioned, it's definitely hot and humid today. Extremely humid, sticky humid. But that's to be expected when you live in subtropics, I mean, what else would I be expecting? So, it's definitely getting to be summer here. I hope, like I said, everybody's having a good day so far. Annie, hi. I see Don. I see, I'm sure that Sonny is with us here. Hi, Sonny. Hi, everybody. Hey, I hope you enjoy this. Feel free to comment. Feel free to go ahead and, share this video if you would like. Feel free to make comments and share amongst yourselves as well. We have a worldwide audience. We do. And that's so awesome. I love technology, and I really do like Facebook. Because it allows us to be able to have this kind of stuff. So I'm just going to kind of let that be like that for now. And I put this up on the top of my truck, and what I'm going to do is just let the video run here for a little bit, and then shortly I'll come back, and then I'll end the video as I always do with a prayer for myself and for everybody, even for the people that don't watch it, that it will touch their lives in some fashion. And I know that it works like that too. We'll touch people. So yeah, let's just continue to enjoy. And again, my deepest gratitude and thanks to everybody that takes time to watch. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that this touches you in a positive manner. Remember, today's about pursuing our dreams. You've got to make a list of dreams and goals, even if it doesn't seem like it is even possible. Write it down. Because anything is possible in this universe. And it starts with a thought. I don't really like the way that that's sitting up there. Try and adjust this a little bit. Hopefully that's decent. I'm going to adjust it again. I'll get it right. Nobody ever said that I was a professional cameraman. I'm certainly a cameraman, but not a professional one. I guess I learn. That's what I try and do. Learn every day so I can grow and become a better person. this big cloud would go away, we can see that sun coming. You can kind of see it back there a little bit, but it's very low clouds too. You see rain coming from behind us here. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Well, okay. The sun's coming up. We're not just getting a really great view of it. So I'm going to pull it down here. I'm going to say hi. Thanks to everybody that's still watching. Thanks for everybody that did come to watch. I'm going to just kind of do this. I love this bush over here. This one right here. I'm just going to use that as my backdrop. I am. So, thank you. Thank you so very much for coming, Sonny. Thank you very much. I love you, Sonny. I hope you're having a good day, or you had a good day, because I know that it's like evening there now. This is fun for me. I hope that people have enjoyed this. I hope that you have made a connection to nature. Janice, I see that you're there too as well. Love you as well. This is something fun for me. I do enjoy it. I really appreciate everybody that does come and take time to watch and to view this. Get something out of, I hope. I'm going to stand in front of that bush. It's so pretty. So, thank you. I hope you're having a good day. Today is a day for me to pursue dreams. I hope it's a day for you to pursue dreams. I know that I heard recently, just make a list of things. Anything. It does not even matter. Even if it doesn't even seem obtainable, make that list. And that's where it starts. It starts with a list, and then you start thinking about, well, what do I need to do to achieve those goals? For me, most of my success, not most, all of my success really comes from my higher power. I have a higher power. I call that God. Jesus is my Savior. He's my role model. He's who I'm trying to be like. If you don't have a higher power, if you don't believe in God, that's okay. If you want the kind of things I have, you need to find Jesus. He'll make things different for you. He does for me. Anything is possible in this universe, and the Bible tells us that. And so I just know that if I apply myself and I believe and I have faith, it takes blind faith to make it happen. Anything can happen. I can achieve anything I want. And all I try and do anymore, because I'm not young anymore, I try and learn and grow every day. I try and be positive. It doesn't mean that I'm not human. I am human. I can certainly be a human person, and I can make mistakes. But what I've heard and what's in my mind is this: I can fail, try again, fail again, try again, fail better. So if I fail better every time and improve myself, then I'm moving forward. Life is what it is. And so the thing is this: thank you for taking time to join me here in Sarasota, Florida. I appreciate that. It means a lot to me. I hope that I touch people. I hope that I touch people in a positive fashion. I'm going to go ahead and end this video with a prayer, as I always do. I mentioned earlier, if you don't believe in God, that's okay. I'll respect your beliefs. I certainly do. Your beliefs, I respect you for whatever you want to think. So this is the bottom line, though. I believe in God. Dear God, thank you so much. You are the creator of all things. This beautiful place I happen to live in, you happen to be creator of the heavens and the earth and everything in them. You give me power, you give me strength, you give me the ability to be able to achieve. You also allow me to fail, but that's okay. What I want to do, Lord, is to learn from those failures, to pursue my dreams, to achieve those dreams, and to grow and learn, to inspire people, to inspire others, and pay it forward without any expectation of getting anything back for it. So it's not about the money, it's just about the feeling in my heart. So, Lord, I love you. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you for my friends. Thank you for my family. Thank you for everything that we have. I ask that you be in the hearts and the minds of all of us. I ask that you help us to achieve those dreams, to make good choices, and to carry forward and be grateful for what we do, in fact, have. I pray these words, and I also pray for the manifestation of our dreams and our goals, that they manifest in abundance. And in Jesus' name I pray these words, and so it is. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. It's Tuesday. 2 for Tuesdays. Huh. Okay. I've got 2 countertops with sinks I got to do, in and amongst a bunch of other stuff, and a tub, and yeah, all that stuff. So yeah, love my job. Get to make old things look new. That's a transformation. Try and transform myself every day and transform into a better person. Thank you for joining me. Have a blessed day, and enjoy. If it's bad, turn around, make it good. Where there's bad, there's good. There always is. So have a wonderful day. I'm just going to end with doing a quick pan of the area here. And there is blue sky over here. And I hope that you enjoy it. Take care. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. And let's make the best of it. Sonny, thank you. I can't read your comments. I'll go back. I'll look. If you are watching now, feel free to go ahead and share this video. Make comments if you'd like. And have a blessed day. Love you. And bye for now. From Sarasota, Florida. Take care.